vori. B, pentatonic, B pentatóniskur tónstigi. Let's keep it in Icelandic as well. Þetta B tónstigi, bara pentatóniskur. Við þurfum að vera með B-moll, B-minor. Og að sjálfsögðu hérna upp á 14. bandi líka. Lærið bara tónstigana, þetta ekkert flókið. Gotta learn the scales, then everything will be easy, okay? So it starts like this. To this note. Live, I would usually do like this. Second fret up until 14. I think after listening to the song again, in the studio I did it like this. Easier. But live it's more cool. Bands. So after the pentatonic, right again for the pentatonic. Ellefta og 12. band, 11th on the 3rd string and 12th on the B string, 2nd string. Again. And then for the B minor up on the 14th, remember? And of course starting on the 17th fret on string 2, 17. band á streng nummer 2. Svona. Og svo 14. band, 14th fret. Okay. Sautjánda band á E-string, 17th fret on the E string. Okay, einu sinni. After the pentatonic, straight for the pentatonic again. Sjöunda band, 7th fret. Okay. Then I just can't remember what I did after that. So you can choose from the straight arpeggio or something like that. Usually live I would do Honestly, can't remember. A lot of noise. So, one more time, the solo from the top. You can see it starts in A with an A string. And then we go for B. And it's the same rule every time. Learn the basic part of any solo you want to learn, and then add your own version to it. Do your own kind of solo, if you like. Keep the basics, then add something to it. Þið læri sólóin í rauninni og svona cirka, og svo bara bætið ykkar lit á sólóin. Það er basically það. Að þið læri svona grunninn, einhverja beinagrind, haldið svona þessum þáttum sem að þurfa að vera, ákveðin melodía, en svo bara einfaldlega gera ykkar útgáfur af lögum og sólóum. Það er langt skemmtilegast. Gangi ykkur vel. Rock and roll.